Jai Vasri. It is with great pride and privilege we are going to introduce and honor our own legacy makers, the architects of our Mahila Sabha Madras unit, whose great contributions have made our Sabha standing so high in our community for its integrity, empowerment, and service to humanity. Each and every chairperson has brought something to the table. What started off as a small seed now has grown into a very big tree doing phenomenal service to society. They are the classic examples of வாழ்வதற்கு அர்த்தம் வேண்டும், வாழ்ந்ததற்கு அடையாளம் வேண்டும். We present to you the legendary chairpersons in chronological order. Have great pleasure in introducing our dear charter chairperson, the gracious Mrs. Shanta G.K. Shetty. She is a pioneer and torchbearer of a prestigious Sabha. Dignified and elegant Shanta Auntie can be dubbed as Bhishma Pitamaha of TNAVMS Madras Unit. Her footprints paved the path of her successors in upholding the dignity of our Sabha. Pranams to our charter chairperson, Mrs. Shanta G.K. Shetty. I would love to introduce another past chairperson, the gorgeous and glamorous Mrs. Kalabashin. She, with her traditional but effortless style, is a chairperson par excellence. A role model to emulate, she pioneered the Gotra Vriksha Nidhi and also gave her Sabha's signature event, the Coffee Mornings, a whole new look with an elevated glamour quotient. I present to you the stylish Kalabashin. I would love to introduce this past chairperson, pious Mrs. Umudi Lalita Sudhakar. She, with her enduring and unassuming persona, smoothly handled the affairs of the Sabha. She is to be credited with initiating the Shri Kanyaka Vidya Kshetra, a crochet and play school. Also introducing for the first time an all-women's car rally, which was a super duper hit. I present to you Mrs. Umadi Lalita Sudhakar.
Congratulations. Jai Sriman Narayan. మహిళా సభ ఇంకను గ్రేట్ హైట్స్లో వెళ్ళాలని నా యొక్క కోరిక. ఇంకను సర్వీస్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఎక్కువగా చేయాలని మీ అందరి తరపున నేను ప్రార్థిస్తున్నాను.
I would love to introduce this most stylish past chairperson, Mrs. Jayalakshmi Kupraj. She, in her own inimitable and graceful style, brought many laurels to our Sabha. Her tenure was made fascinating with novel workshops on ikbana and cake making, and lots of fun trips to interesting places as well. So I present to you the most stylish Mrs. Jayalakshmi Kupraj. I would love to introduce another great past chairperson, the pious and religious Mrs. Shanta Sridhar. She's bold and beautiful with her indomitable spirit. She was a driving force behind TNAVMS. As the chairperson during the 15th anniversary of Asaba, she spearheaded 15 noteworthy projects.
అవార్డు ఇచ్చిన నిండా థ్యాంక్స్ అండి.
Past chairperson Mrs. Sukumari Venugopal, vibrant and delightful. Sukumari aunty has a positive outlook on life. She stands by her words. Key to success is to focus on goals and not obstacles. She took our Sabha a notch higher with her versatile projects and camps. Past chairperson Mrs. Meera Shekhar. Charming and admirable Meera aunty is a well of informative regarding the activities of the Sabha. Her term as chairperson was packed with a cornucopia of interesting and energetic activities.
జై వాసవి. ఈరోజు చాలా సుదినం. నూతన సంవత్సరం 1వ తారీఖు మన మహిళా సభ తరఫున ఈ కార్యక్రమం చేసుకోవడం చాలా సంతోషంగా కూడా ఉంది. మామూలుగా హానరింగ్ అంటే బయట ఎవరో పబ్లిక్ వాళ్ళ దగ్గర మనం చేయించడం, పబ్లిక్ ఫంక్షన్లో చేయడం అలవాటు. కానీ మనతో పాటు ఉంటూ మనకు అన్ని విధాలా సహకరించే మన ఇంటి వాళ్ళ దగ్గర మనకు ఒక గౌరవం పొందడం అనేది చాలా ఒక మంచి సంతోషాన్ని ఇస్తుంది. సో సుజాత ఆంటీ చాలా బాగా వర్క్ చేశారు. మీ అందరికీ వాసవి అంబ మంచి ఆరోగ్యాలు ఇచ్చి కాపాడేవాళ్ళని ప్రార్థిస్తా ఉన్నాను. జై వాసవి.
Past chairperson Mrs. Sri Lakshmi Karumuri, multifaceted Sri Lakshmi auntie who has a number of awards to her credit and who is involved in various social organizations, make us proud. She is instrumental in adding to the assets of Tamil Nadu Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha and thereby generating revenue for the Sabha activities. She is a born leader.
I thank Tamil Nadu Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha for honoring me with the Legacy Award, and I thank Sujata, the President, and the committee for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, one and all.
Past chairperson Mrs. Mukkala Vaijayanti Bhashyakarulu. Knowledgeable and informative Vaijayanti Garu is the backbone of Tamil Nadu Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha. She made sure her dream to do something big became a reality. Silver Jubilee Coffee Morning and a mega eye camp were the highlights of her tenure. She is a person you can rely on to make sure the Sabha activities are on the right track.
On behalf of Tamil Nadu Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha Madras Unit, my husband will do me the honors today. I thank Tamil Nadu Adivesha Mahila Sabha, Madras Unit for conferring me this award today. I thank Goddess Vasravamba for making me the chairperson of this prestigious club in the year 2006, which was the silver jubilee year of the Sabha. I could contribute to the society in whatever way I could, and I also thank my predecessors for training me and guiding me to do this. I thank my family for giving me the opportunity to go out in the world and do service. Thank you, Mahila Sabha.
Past chairperson, Mrs. Mallika Badrinath. Mahila Sabha is proud to have a star celebrity among us. Her humble nature and never say no attitude makes Silver Jubilee chairperson Mallika indispensable to the Sabha. Noteworthy projects made the Silver Jubilee year extra special.
Thanks a lot, Tamil Nadu Arya Mahila Sabha, Madras Unit. You have made my journey very easy. From the beginning, as a member, I would like to thank once again to each and everyone who are the pillars and strength of this Sabha from the past so many years. Thank you.
I am happy to introduce past chairpersons Mrs. Ranjini Narayanan. She is soft-spoken and elegant. Ranjini has to be credited with giving a new avatar to Tamil Nadu Aryavesya Mahila Sabha. She took the club closer to the digital age by launching the Sabha website, a technological platform for easy communication.
My husband is honoring me on behalf of Mahila Sabha. I thank you, Ali. I am very honored to receive this Legacy Maker Award. I cherish this moment, Sujata, throughout my life. I dedicate this memento to my family. Without them, I would have not finished my chairmanship successfully. Thanks a lot.
I am introducing past chairperson Mrs. Uma Maheshwari Gupta. She is a very honest and straightforward person who does everything by the book. Very soft-spoken and a friendly chairperson who introduced young wing to the Sabha. During her tenure, both the Governor, Dr. K. Rosaya Garu, and the First Lady have visited our esteemed organization. I am introducing past chairperson Mrs. Ura Sashikala. She is spiritual and Dhyanam is her domain. Her charming and cheerful personality makes her an enduring friend to one and all. She can be proud of some very interesting activities during her tenure.
Jai Vasavi, Tamil Nadu Arya Mahila Sabha తరపున మా కోడలు నన్ను ఫెలిసిటేట్ చేస్తుంది. ఈ ఫెలిసిటేషన్ నాకు చాలా ఆనందాన్ని ఇస్తుంది. తమిళనాడు ఆర్యవేశ మహిళా సభ ఇంత పెద్ద మహాపట్నంలో కొంతమంది మహిళలు కలిసి ఈ సభను స్టార్ట్ చేయడం చాలా సంతోషమైన విషయం. ఈ సభలో ఏ ప్రోగ్రామ్ తీసుకున్నా అందరూ కలిసి డెసిషన్ తీసుకుంటూ ఉంటాము. అది చాలా హర్షించదగిన విషయం. ఈ సభ ఇలాగే ఎప్పటికీ నిండు నూరేళ్ళు జరుపుకుని మంచి ఆలోచనలతో మంచి నిర్ణయాలతో పాస్ట్ ప్రెసిడెంట్గా మనసారా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. ఇట్లు రీసెర్చ్ ఫెలో.
I am happy to introduce past chairperson Mrs. Padma Preeta Sumant. Her boldness marks her out for greatness. Her boundaries, energy, coordinating and time management skills helped her multitask. Her year was marked with mega events and projects covering a broad spectrum of avenues.
I thank Tamil Nadu Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha for honoring me as a legacy maker, wishing all success for the future endeavors. Happy New Year to all.
Now I am introducing past immediate chairperson Mrs. Neeraja Vasant. Vibrant, talented and delightful Neeraja with her brand of creativity introduced some novel projects like Walkathon and Vertical Garden in KT City School. Her stupendous fundraising event Bando Sando was one of its kind event.
I'm really proud to be receiving the honors from TNAVMS. I especially thank Sujata Ramesh Babu, our exemplary chairperson, for all the effort taken. Nizam Cheppalante, it's a very nice feeling to be receiving the award from all the dear family loving members. Kudos to Mahilas and kudos to Mahila Sabha. Thank you.